Look over there. Looks like she's gonna put some groceries up.
Yeah, I bet she leaves that hatch open. She goes inside.
Let's get us a nice quick break. Let's do this quick smash and grab.
Yeah, let's go do this.
Yeah. Come on.
Look at that.
I don't know, try to pry it open. Get the knife out. Try to pry it. Not happening. No, we gotta go. We gotta go. Grab the bag. Let's go. Well, at least we got this bag.
What did we get?
Let's see it. Oh.
Welcome back to Hawkmar Outdoors.
I'm Hawkins,
I'm Meyer.
and today we're going to be showing you how to deploy your newly acquired car safe.
That's right. We're going to show you how to use it in a side-by-side buggy, the back of a truck, or in a trunk of a car. Here's one location you could use to mount it in the back of this side-by-side. We've taken the chain and went through the frame of the seat and back up, and you can simply lock it together there. Another place you can put it in the back of a pickup truck. Run your chain, these tie down attachment points. You don't even have to use all the chain. There we go.
You can also put your car safe in the back of your trunk. Every trunk is different. Try to find somewhere that's solid to put this down. In my car, we have a nice place that you can run your chain through. Nice and solid. Take it, lock it up. Move our more knives out of the way. Just cover it up, and you're good. We're going to show you how to put it in the back. Find somewhere underneath your seat, somewhere that's not plastic or anything like that. Nice to the frame of the seat there, and just hook it up. Some fashion, make sure it's nice and chained. And I would suggest when you have it out in the open like this, because you can see through the windows, of course, probably put a jacket over or something, and should be good. In the back of an SUV, you usually have a few more tie down points. This is just one more way to show you. On this one, it has a really nice sturdy place to chain it up to. Just lock her up. And again, since it's out in the open, definitely try to conceal this a little bit. And there you go.
Another place you can use this box may not be in a car. You may actually be out in the woods and need to lock something up, wrap it around a good solid tree.
Since we added the rubber washers in it, it should be relatively waterproof. And if you don't think that it is going to be waterproof, you can go ahead and silicone all the places that you drilled the holes in. solid.
Here you could use it on a tree, maybe a picnic table, if you're at the beach, something like that, light pole. Possibilities are really endless.
Yep.
Look here, alright, we've already showed you a few ways to do this car safe, but the possibilities are endless. Use your own imagination. Think of your own ways to use it.
Yep. Showed you how to put it in the back of a buggy, back of a car, you know, back of a truck. There's just, and around a tree as well. It's just, possibilities are endless on this thing.
Be creative and keep your stuff safe.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Be getting some more videos done. Thank you.